Section 2.2 Interactive Assignment Objective 4. We're going to use the applet available below to complete parts A through C. For the first part, it says how many classes are in the histogram for the 5-year rate of return data when the starting point is 8 and the bin width is 2. So we're going to click on the applet. Okay, so it's telling us that the starting point has to be 8. So if you look here, here's the starting point, which is the first one. So if you move this around, you will see this number change right there. So if we go to the right, 7.6, 7.8, and now the starting point is on 8. And then down here, the bin width, you move left and right for the bin width. Currently now it's at 1.4, moving it over, moving it over gives us 2. So we want to figure out how many classes there are here. So here is the graph. Well, each particular rectangle represents a class. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 classes. So there's 6 rectangles. We have 6 classes. So let's put in the answer for 6 and see if we get that. There's our result. Okay, the next question says how many classes are in the histogram for the 5-year rate of return data when the starting point is 8 and the bin width is 4. So open this up again. We already have it at 8. We want to now make the bin width to 4, so we're going to move this to the right to get a bin width of 4. Now we're taking a look at that. So looking at that, we can see how many rectangles that we have. We have 1, 2, and 3. So now we have 3 classes. So the answer for that one is going to be 3 classes. Okay, the last one says how many classes are in the histogram for the 5-year rate of return data when the starting point is 8 and the bin width is 1. So here we still have the starting point at 8. Now we're going to move to the left until we get to 1. So there is our values here. This is our histogram. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we have 1 class, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then there's 10. But that means there's 2 missing rectangles, which would be 0. So that'd be 11, right? And then 12. So we have a total of 12 classes here. So therefore, the number of classes there are is 12.